Hello you, so today I want to post this video of a kind of like plein air painting video, and I really like going outside and painting because I'm normally inside, and you know, when you're inside for a long period of time it kind of gets boring, so I decided to do one of these plein air painting videos again. So first of all, I'm painting with watercolor, waterverf, aquarella, just watercolor, and I haven't painted in watercolor in a while, so it was kind of, I had to get used to it, and it was kind of hard. But I managed to get at least something out of my drawing. And also I do not paint very often with watercolors. I started very late with trying out watercolors, and I've only done just a few things with watercolors. So I don't know why I decided to do this for this video, but I just wanted to, I guess because I really like when other people do watercolor in plein air, because I've tried acrylics in plein air, and I mean, I'm better at acrylics, so it looks better, but it's way more work to prepare everything because watercolor, it's just easy to travel with, and acrylics takes up more space. But that's why I chose watercolor. Also, I had to choose, I had to use some fine liners because it just didn't look good. So fine liners is definitely a hack when you're not good with watercolor, and so that's that. If you're not good with watercolors, just hide the fact that you're not good at it, and just practice more. So in the past I've done 3 plein air drawing videos on camera, so I will link those. And also don't let all the fake nature fool you because it's the Netherlands, and it's all fake. It's all fake. It's all planted there. You can clearly see buildings behind, so that's the sad part. Bye.